Best salad for weight loss. Burn belly fat. If you want to lose weight, this video is for you. I have a bonus for you at the end of this video. So don't go, keep watching. Let's start by slicing white cabbage. White cabbage keep you strong and improve digestion. Raw red cabbage might give you the best nutrition boost per serving. You can enjoy it raw, cooked, or fermented. I'm using 1 carrot. Carrot promotes healthy vision. Eat raw carrot every day. It will help you for your vision, or you take carrot juice. Bell peppers are a great source of fiber. It can also prevent colon cancer. So if you are not eating bell peppers, start eating it today. 1 tomato. Both cooked or raw tomato are full of nutrients. 1 cucumber. Cucumber helps with weight loss, balance hydration, and lower blood sugar levels. Green apples are a great source of essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals such as calcium, iron. 1 onion. Onion may help regulate blood sugar. Sweet corn is a great source of fiber, vitamin C, and other nutrients. We need 2 cloves of garlic for the sauce. Into the bowl, we put 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of low-fat yogurt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We add the grated garlic. We now add fresh dill. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Mix it well. Here we have our sauce. We need half lemon juice. Squeeze it on top of the salad. And you now put your sauce. Our salad is ready. For your bonus, go to the description box below. Click the link. I have product there for you that will help you for your lose weight journey. Go and get it and come and thank me later. Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao.